It's not always the biggest fish that eats, but the fastest fish can eat too. So we're able to pivot and move faster than any of these other companies. And before they know it, we've taken over. We've just cracked a new market. We're in 300 stores overnight. Basically, UDX allows us to say yes to everybody. We're a beverage distribution company. We're molding into being our own manufacturers. UDX is helping our company scale and just be aggressive in the marketplace by developing the templates that help us whenever we create a new brand. You don't have to do all the legwork and build from scratch every single time. We can just launch new areas, new products with no downtime. It's not a lot of great thinkers that can be backed by great designers, and I think that's a partnership that we have.
His business is growing like crazy. So what we've done is built a platform that allows us to deploy these drink brands on their own website, and all of those orders and information is all controlled centrally through this ERP that we're building. This is a custom solution that will digitally transform his entire business.
Everything's about data, and it's all integrated, so we can pull it for any aspect that we want. And that helps us when we're selling brands too. They want to know what other stores are doing. Yeah, I don't need to sell you. I need to be like, hey, look, every other store around here has it, and they're selling. Here's the numbers. We're taking off in some other areas because they just show pictures of what we're doing here.
Any business generates a lot of data. Collecting data is obviously important for sales and marketing, but it can also be for the operations side of his business. How do you keep track of everything without hiring 10 people? You need software to do that.
Since we started the project with UDX, we've just experienced rapid growth. We've increased 20% in sales each year for the past 5, so we doubled in business. All this information helps us to make sure that we keep our space in the marketplace.
The part that excites myself and our team the most is like how receptive Yousef and his team is to our ideas and the dialogue that we constantly have open. It's a constant conversation. We're constantly talking about his business, constantly learning about the problems that he has, the successes that he has, and I'm constantly thinking like, well, how can we make that scalable? How can we automate it? Or how can we just make the process better?
As we grow even more, if I see that we're able to really change the industry here, what's to stop us from doing other industries too? The thing is, if you say it, UDX can build it.